Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to view Excel sheets side by side. Currently I have one Excel file open on my desktop and I am working on April 2024 sales data, which is highlighted in red. At the same time, I want to check April 2023 sales data, which is highlighted in green. So I need to switch back and forth between these two sheets and find information I'm looking for. However, there are more effective ways to work on both sheets at the same time. I can use Excel's new window feature. To use it, I need to go to View tab and click on New Window. If I click on New Window, Excel will create a copy of the original file I am working on. Let's click on it. Now I have two files open on my desktop. First one is the original one. Second one is the copy of it. And I click on View tab again and then click on Arrange All. This dialog box appears. From here I can select horizontal or vertical depending on how I want to view the files. Let's select horizontal and click on OK. Excel arranged the file one above the other. Now let's change it. I click on Arrange All again and select vertical this time and click on OK. Now files are side by side and I can work on both at the same time. Now I will show you another way to view Excel sheets side by side. Currently, I have one Excel file open on my desktop. Let's create the copy of it. I go to View tab, click on New Window. Now I have two files open on my desktop. I hover the cursor over Maximize button, and underneath here, Excel shows me some view options. From here, I can select any of these. As I have two files open on my desktop, I will select this option. If I had three files open on my desktop, I would choose this option. So let's select this one. And then I select the second file. Now two files are side by side on my screen and I can work on them at the same time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Thank you.